This one has a messed up quarter panel. It looks bad, but I actually believe it's going to come out pretty good.
I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of...
I have a Chevy Trax here. This one has a messed up quarter panel. I'm gonna actually try to glue pull this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some tabs right on here and one more shorter one over here. And then I will make a pull and try to bring that panel out. Get the metal straightened out on this one. First thing, you want to clean off the panel real good with some alcohol spray, as well as clean off the tabs to make sure everything is going to stick good. Now, I gotta bring out the edge of this quarter panel where it meets up with the door so it's flush. So I'm going to weld this tab on here, and I will use that to pull that edge out. I got this one all fit together. Everything's looking very nice. My tail light lines up nice, bumper snaps in, lines up good, as well as my door gap is nice and flush and even. So this one is ready for some plastic work. I am actually going to send this one over to Eric to go ahead and do the fill work, and I'm going to dive into my next one.